Welcome to the complete practice and scenario based ServiceNow IT Service Management course. In this program, you will learn ServiceNow, including you will learn how real organizations use it every single day. Welcome everyone. I am Ashutosh. This is complete IT Service Management ITSM course designed with real company scenarios. In this course, we will cover five major modules: incident management, problem management, change management, and asset management, including vendor management. Every concept complete first theoretical, then we will provide the hands-on practical session through ServiceNow after real troubleshootings and corporate scenario. Uh, Everyone, what is ServiceNow ITSM? You know what is ITSM? IT means information technology service management is a ITSM. ITSM is the practice of delivering IT services to support internal customer with the help of people, process and technologies. You know everyone, you working in maybe like any MNCs. So one is a service provider, second is a client. So service provider team provides services to client. If client are facing any issue, so definitely client directly communicate service provider team members through the ITSM process, right? So ServiceNow ITSM, how organization manage the IT services. It's streamline incident resolution, problem management, change controls, service required through intelligent automations. So this platform service delivery, how to manage the service in single platform. So every company is using ServiceNow, and it is a most demanding platform. 500 plus 1000 plus companies are using ServiceNow according to company standard, according to company news. Why this course standards? So real implementation focused. In this module, we will only focus on real implementations, official certifications, related mastery, like master configurations, like how to set up the ServiceNow, how to customize the like theme, how to categorize the incident. These are, after that, hands-on experience. Like hands-on experience in the sense, we will discuss the all scenarios, like company scenarios in company, how to manage the incident, how to creating the request, how to manage the request, and if any time escalations occurs, so how to handle these all scenarios. Same thing will cover the problem, we cover the change management time, vendor and asset. So every topics cover hands-on experience. After that, who would join this course? So all IT support and service desk engineers can join this course. ITIL and ITSM professional can join this course. As IT professionals can join this course, every system engineers can join this course, and career changes join this course, because everyone, this is a, every teams are using ServiceNow technology platforms and technologies. It is a game changer. If you knowledge related to ServiceNow, so definitely your career is boots up, your resume is boots up, right? So you learn outcome. So implementing and configuring ITSM modules, like deploy it, customize the ServiceNow ITSM application for enterprise needed. We cover managing ITSM process, like configuration of incident, problem, change, request management, workflow. These are modules we discuss theoretically and practically. Set up SLA and workflow, like creating service level management, notifications, automated process. After that, build service cat catalogs, like design, develop user-friendly service like catalogs, items, and knowledge base. Up, apply best practices. Understand the complete implementation life cycle and industrial standards. So we'll cover these all. After that, ITSM examples. Comprehensive curriculums, ServiceNow platform overview, ITSM process implementation, end-to-end configuration of customization like form, table, business rules, SLA management, define, tracking, reporting, ServiceNow labels. After that, building categories, knowledge management system, reporting and dashboard, how to create the reports, visualize the report, how to share these are report to management teams, right? So these are process we cover. Integration and automation, best practice and governance. 100% hands-on learning, real configuration of service developers instance, incident and change workflow, service catalog like items, notification and SLA policies we cover in this. The certification advantages: become certified. So you have a ServiceNow specialist, as a ServiceNow developer, as a ServiceNow ITSM engineer, right? So recognized by employee worldwide, like prove the ServiceNow mastery, high demanding across consulting firms, tech companies, enterprises, foundation and advanced certification like CID, HRD, ESD, CID, CMS, and beyond. Sig- Significant salary, premium, comparison certifications, and every professionals. Your career path awaiting, like role you can post after certification: implementation specialist, RTSM consultant, ServiceNow administrator, after process automation engineer. These are after everyone. If you are implementation specialist, means ServiceNow deployment and configuration for the enterprise client. ITSM consultants means organization of optimizing ITSM services, managing the practices, handling the chart, managing the report, sharing the report. But if you are ServiceNow administrator, so maintain and enhance the ServiceNow platform, growing the organization. If any problem occurs, if any changes are required, so your responsibilities, you can handle these. Process automation, design and implement the automate flow and integrations, like automate create a report. If you schedule the date of reporting, so automatically generate the report, automatically create the report, automatically download the report, right? So, like filtering sections. So these are possibilities through automation engineer, ready to transform your career within a 45-day, 100% practicals, real-time hands-on learning, one platform, one access for any device. You can join through mobile phone, you can join through tablet, you can join through laptop, desktop, XYZ. What included: industries, expert trainer, that real world experience, step to step certification, exam guidance, practical assignment and project certification of completion, job and interview preparations, resume building, lifetime access to all study materials. Start your journey today. Thank you, everyone.